Grammar quiz. The future perfect tense. Fill in the blanks using the future perfect tense. I'll give you 5 seconds to answer. Let's go. Dad blank up by the time Mum gets back. Is it A will clean, B will cleans, C will have cleaned, or D will have cleans? The correct answer is C, will have cleaned. Dad will have cleaned up by the time Mum gets back. The boat blank before help arrives. Is it A will have sunk, B will have sank, C will have sinked, or D will has sunk? The correct answer is A will have sunk. The boat will have sunk before help arrives. I blank the painting by tomorrow evening. Is it A will did, B will done, C will have did, or D will have done? The correct answer is D, will have done. I will have done the painting by tomorrow evening. Mr. Barker blank Shelley for 68 years in May. Is it A will have had, B will have has, C will have, or D will had have? The correct answer is A will have had. Mr. Barker will have had Shelley for 68 years in May. And finally, I blank enough food for supper before dark. Is it A will have catch, B will have caught, C will have catched, or D will had caught? The correct answer is B, will have caught. I will have caught enough food for supper before dark. Don't forget to visit the website and subscribe to our channels for more grammar quizzes.